The Gripper to Go is a 3D push block designed to keep hands out of danger and improve cut quality. It's a true MicroJig gripper product designed to control your stock throughout the cut. A push stick alone cannot prevent parts from drifting away from the rip fence. The Gripper to Go has high friction rubber molded onto the legs to control your stock from the top, preventing both sides of the cut from touching the back of the blade, reducing the chance for kickback and providing clean cuts. To use your saw safely, make sure that it's set up according to your owner's manual. Make sure that the blade is always clean and sharp, and it should be parallel to both the miter slot and the rip fence. Eye protection and hearing protection are always to be worn in the shop. And make sure that your clothing isn't dangling or hanging low that could get caught in bits and blades. Long sleeves should be rolled, and dangling jewelry should be avoided. And of course, we never wear gloves when working with power tools. Finally, learn to stand outside of the kickback zone to keep yourself safe should something go wrong. It's easy to learn how to use your saw safely. The legs of the Gripper to Go are staggered, so you can safely make any rip cut from 5/16 of an inch on up. And the To Go comes with our patented color-coded index to help you prevent accidental blade contact. Inside the package is the color-coded index sticker. Remove the see-through sticker from the liner and apply it to the rip fence scale on your saw, aligning it with the 0 mark. It works with both inch and metric scales. Now, whenever you set your rip fence for a cut, whatever color is under the cursor should be facing you on the body of the To Go before you cut. Using the color-coded index, any rip from 5/16 on up can be made with no fear of cutting into your Gripper to Go. For safe operation, all 3 legs of the Gripper to Go must be on top of the stock being cut. This will keep your To Go stable so it can't move unexpectedly when in use. Longer stock can be ripped in one smooth motion, using 2 grippers in a hand-over-hand technique. The Gripper to Go helps keep you safe all over your workspace. Anywhere there are bits or blades, MicroJig's Gripper to Go is there to protect you and provide superior cut quality. And when you're ready, our line of grippers and accessories are there to help you work safer and work smarter than any other system you can buy. Find out more at your local retailer or microjig.com.